beyond. My name is Ida and today I'm showing you how to make Sierra en Escabeche. It is fish with an onion sauce on top. It is very popular now during Easter and I'm going to show it to you. Here are the ingredients. Here I have 4 slices of Sierra. We call it in Spanish Sierra, but it's kingfish. It's a family in the mackerel family. I have 1 onion sliced thin, half a cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of vinegar. The lemon I use to soak the fish in, about 8 to 10 olives, a bay leaf, a garlic clove. We're going to decorate with some pimento slices and flour. This is all we need to make Sierra en Escabeche. Like I mentioned, I soak the fish in about 2 cups of water and the juice of 1 lemon. I patted them dry. Now we're going to season them and flour them to fry. I have some adobo. It's to taste. You see, I maybe not even half a teaspoon. We're going to do a little bit, just a pinch, see? Just to give it flavor, a pinch of cumin. And the same. Just a dash of powdered oregano. So we're going to mix this up and we're going to do the same to the fish because we want flavors in each layer. So we just take the fish, see, just a sprinkle on each side, rub it in, and we do the same with, I close the lids, and we do the same, just a smidge. I mean, you don't want this to taste like pure oregano or cumin. So this is like, it smells so good already. You have to be careful because if you notice, this is the spot, the backbone of the fish, and all through here, and here, they have, it's a big bone. So when you eat it, you have to be careful with that, okay? So now all we do is, we are going to dredge it on all sides, just like that. Pat it, pat it. We shake it off. Sound like a song. Make sure it's all covered, just like this. I'm going to set it to the side. I'm going to flour all these and then we're going to fry. So my stove is at a medium. It's about an inch and a half of oil. And you see I just sprinkled a little bit of flour, and when it sizzles like that, it's perfect to fry. So now we're just going to lay the fish. And it'll fry quickly, and it's at a medium heat. It sounds like that now, but you see, it slows down, and we're going to do a nice fry on it. So it's like 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So we'll be back when we flip them. So while the fish is frying, I'm going to make el escabeche, which is the olive oil and vinegar sauce. I just put in the olive oil. I'm going to put in, if you see that, the garlic falling in. And this has to be on low. We don't want this to boil. Okay? We're going to put in the vinegar, the olives and the bay leaf, and of course we're going to put in the onion. So we're just going to move this around and just watch it. You go slowly, just incorporating everything. We don't want this to boil, okay? Just heat through. So we'll be back when we get to flip the fish. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. Now it's time to flip. Look at that. So now we're going to cook it a couple of more minutes on each side. And if you want to see more recipes like this, quick and easy, with all fresh ingredients, just give me a thumbs up, and even better, subscribe to my channel. So we'll be back when we put everything together. So here you have it, my version of sierra en escabeche. This is very, like I said, a very popular dish now during Easter and Lent, which usually in Puerto Rico they eat fish or seafood every Friday for Lent. This is quick and easy, takes you less than 15 minutes to make it. Look at this, how beautiful. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And in the description box down below are all my links to my social media, to my Facebook and to my Instagram. See, look how flaky and beautiful this is. See, look at that. So you guys know me, so there's nothing else to say, but see, for you, I'm gonna try it. See, look how flaky. Buen provecho. It's hot. Try it.